Okay, hello from WP Franklin Campground in Alva, Florida. That's about 8 miles east of Fort Myers. It's Saturday in November, first Saturday in November. Today's the 4th or the 3rd? The 3rd, okay. Well, there's our campsite. We're on site number 8, but we're gonna walk around. Where are we going?
Well, you said we're going down there.
Okay, we're gonna walk the whole campground. I haven't done this in a while. Somebody's fishing.
I did it an hour ago.
There's some nice fish in here. This is the lock and dam. I may as well get every site while I'm going. There's 9. There's 10. This is my favorite one here, I think. Site 11. Stay off of it. Site 8 doesn't have enough room to park your car. Oh, I forgot to give a number. What was this one? The pull through?
This is 11.
Pull through is 11. There's the lock and dam.
And then the leg row is 12.
Leg row's on 12. Where'd that pickup truck come from?
That's the caboose.
Okay. Yeah, that's what we tow behind the motorhome. What do we got here? Site 13.
You see they changed dogs.
Yeah, they moved them. I don't know why, but whatever.
I don't either, because now you can't park on it.
And here's site 14. Nice big site. Kind of got a tree behind it. You might watch that one for length. Site 15.
This is a nice one, but it's short.
No, well, yeah, it's short, but you could hang over. So these short ones are the reason they say.
Neighbor's picnic table.
There's 16. Here's where we were. It's a buddy site if you want to camp by your buddy. 19 and 20. Right, Crystal?
Yep.
Did we ever camp by our buddy there?
Nope.
Hey, we've never been on.
We camped there.
I like this site too. 21.
We camped there, but we didn't have a buddy.
Okay.
Remember?
There's site 21. That's a nice one.
Mm-hmm.
What are we here?
That's a nice one. That's 17.
17. This is 18. That is for the host. Nobody camps there but the host. There's our dump station.
That's the bush I walked into.
Oh, I forgot to show them the book. There's a book library right there. Here's where you do your business. There's a van camper. And here's the Fishing Pier. There is 30 sites here. So in the winter time, it's kind of hard to get a site here. It's doable though.
Fishing Pier is cool.
Fishing's good. And there is alligators. I took a picture of at least one that I remember.
And we always see turtles.
You always see turtles, and a lot of times you'll see manatee. They come right up to the edge and eat on the grass. If I see one, I'll take a movie of them. If you just want to come here with your boat, there's the boat parking lot. Here comes a nice little camper. It's a scamp. I love them little scamps. Pulling it with the van.
He's got his door budget going.
Well, that's smart. Probably don't want it to pop open. Here's another one site I've never been on. Have you been on site 22? Because that's a monster pull through. Definitely the biggest site in here. Biggest driveway anyway. There's where we're going Monday. Site 30 over there by the tree. We're coming down to survey the situation. Now if I was smart, I would have done a second video today. Because we were parked down here on what number? 25. This is 23. So what was that? We got 22, 23, 24.
Hi, how are you? Good, how are you folks?
It's our first time here, and I said, somebody's going to bring our chair and watch the boat.
Oh, she said, you got a good view half of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's lovely. Here's where we were. Got to stay here one night. Site 25. There's a boat coming up to the lock and dam. You can see them entering and exiting the lock and dam. Right now it looks like they're going out. Site 26 has a nice shade tree. It really does. Up here is the, I don't know if you can group camp here or what the deal is. I guess you group tent camp, but you get power and electric and a pavilion and a giant grill. So you can come down here also if you're a camper, because it says right there, shelter facility for registered campers only. Now they used to have boat parking here, but now all they have is a boat ramp and barge ties. I would tie up to one of them, no problem. But they used to have, I don't know, 10 or 12 docks here. What number are we up to? 27. These are nice sites. We've been on 27.
Yeah.
And the only thing not to like about 27 is the tight turn, because I had to back up. I didn't have to back up in my 33 footer, but I sure did in my 39 footer.
Well, and you have bad drivers that can't make that
Right,
corner too.
yeah.
So if you're camping
Might
there,
clip your mirror.
you might hit you.
That's like our least favorite site, but it is good. And if you hug the picnic table, it's just fine. No worries. This is a nice truck here, man. Love that truck.
Silver Fox Edition, that's cool.
That's a nice truck. And then here's our site for tomorrow. Cool. We'll be right by the boat ramp. We'll be watching for manatees, Mr. T. I don't see any today.
Not for tomorrow, is it? We're 2 days down there.
Yeah, oh that's right. Day after tomorrow. We're here Monday night. Don't know if we'll have satellite blockage. I'll be checking that out when I park the camper.
You don't even nuts.
But they have good over-the-air reception here anyway.
There's your boat.
Yeah, there's a cool boat. That's pretty much the end of our tour. This is the parking lot. Open, sunrise closes here at sunset. You have to be a registered camper to have the gate code or be in here after dark. It's a nice boat ramp. I see some weeds floated in, but it's a beautiful boat ramp. Good parking. There's all your rules. Yeah, garbage dumpster. Yeah, that's good. We got the comfort station here. You may as well walk out on the pier. We're out for our daily walk. Does not appear that anybody's fishing yet. There's usually people here. Okay, in case you had any doubt of where we are, we're at the WP Franklin Lock and Dam Okeechobee Waterway, and it's maintained by our favorite people, the Army Corps of Engineers. Do a nice job with this campground.
They do a good job of all the campgrounds.
They always have good volunteers here. See any manatees swimming?
Yeah, we'll go see if we can find
Not right
them
now.
turtles.
Yeah, there's usually turtles. And,
There's two of them that hang out here.
well, there's the turtle down there. I think he lives on the end of the pier. That is east. There's another campground up the way that's really cool. I might stay there a day on the way home. What's this fish swimming on this side down here? See him? You don't see that fish right there?
Where?
Right there.
Looks like a leaf.
No, he's kicking his tail.
Well, I can't see that.
I can't either, really, but... Oh, did that boat just go through the lock? I know they're filling it up.
I don't know.
Okay, and here...
He might be waiting.
Oh, yeah, I guess he could be. Pretty calm here today.
Yeah, the last time we were here, this was just ripping.
Yeah, they had the lock up a little bit.
I mean, you couldn't even hear yourself fishing. It was so noisy.
Oh, there's a cormorant. I thought it was going to be a turtle.
Here you can see it's starting to swirl a little bit.
We had a little rain last night. It must not have been enough to raise the water level any.
Yeah, it was just drizzling a little bit. Sprinkling.
I'm pretty sure that this side has a tidal effect, which is, you don't get much tide here, just a foot or two, but that could definitely slow it down if it's an incoming tide. It's what, about maybe 10 miles to the Gulf of Mexico, maybe a little further. I'm not sure. I've never been on this waterway. It's definitely on my bucket list, though. 3 turtles, 2 turtles. You had 3 fingers up at first.
I didn't.
Okay, there they are.
Hey, dudes. What are you doing?
What kind are they? One's got a lot of algae on him.
Careful, don't knock him in, silly.
Okay, well, that concludes our tour.
Oh, look at this hook. There's 2 hooks laying